All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, getting rid of flat rate for hourly isn't going to fix issues in this industry. Let me tell you the story. Posted on Facebook, a shop owner that pays hourly has 2 techs quitting, or 1 tech quitting and 1 probably quitting. And while the first tech, he wasn't upset about losing for whatever reason, he didn't specify. However, the second tech he was wanting to keep. But the problem is the tech is complaining about his workload. Well, he can't have that. He can't, not lessen the guy's workload. That would cut into his, bank account. It would literally cut into his profits. So he doesn't see a solution. His only solution is let the guy quit, hire somebody else. Now, of course, this is with a technician shortage. He doesn't care. Keeps burning out techs, doesn't care. Like I said, he pays hourly. The story just shows that worry about yourself, not the shop you work for. And what I mean by that is if you are burning out and they will not do anything to alleviate your burnout, get out of there. We can all agree. A flat rate tech will burn themselves out. Pushing, hours. Got to get those hours. An hourly tech that does not get compensated for what he puts out and continually gets pushed to more and more is going to burn out also. And as a shop owner, if you can't see burnout happening with your techs or do nothing about it when they tell you they're burning out, because that technician, literally the reason he was changing jobs was for a lighter workload. He was tired of working his butt off, and money wasn't a concern. He was more concerned about a better work-life balance. I don't. The quest of people to make the most amount of profit, you're gonna just throw away people because more profit. And I've said this many times, profit's not a dirty word. How you get it, however, is the problem. If you're chewing through techs, oh yeah, we do pizza every Friday. Who the hell cares? That shop owner does, but I bet his techs really don't. It's if you push so hard that your techs are telling you they're burning out and are changing jobs, leaving you because of that, and you don't care, how do you have techs left? I've said this many times. Most shops that pay hourly do that so they can pay less. Most hourly techs make less overall. Take that for what it is. I know I'll get comments. I make this, I make that on hourly, but think about this. What would you be making if you were flat rate at the highest rate? It's a generalization, but it's generally true. I've said this many times. I don't care how you get paid. I want every technician to make the most amount of money they can. And I also want good life-work balance for those techs. If they're exhausted every day going home because it's always, oh, can you get this one done? Can you get this one done? Can you get this one done? Flat rate techs put themselves in that situation. And, well, let's be honest, as a flat rate tech, you don't get it done. Oh, well, somebody's mad at you. As an hourly tech, if you're not producing to their standard, they're more likely to get rid of you as well. But that's not what this video is about. The whole point of this video is really about technicians need to take care of themselves first and foremost. You work for a shop. It is not your shop. It's not your business. And you should not be killing yourself for that owner to make more money. If you find you're in a burnout situation and management will literally do nothing about it, change jobs. It's not worth it to hate your life. Hated my life for several years at the old shop. It was not worth it for the money. I'll be honest. It sucked. It sucked going into work knowing the crap that I was going to have to deal with. Don't do it for you. Don't do it for your family. Find a better place to work. If you make less money, I'd almost rather do that than high stress, high problem, always go, 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 quantity over quality every time of the week. And they call flat rate techs hacks. How many hacks are happening in these high volume shops that are hourly, where they're just pushed out more? You know, a lot of these hourly shops talk about quality control and, you know, making sure that, you know, technicians have time to do it right. But yet they still want them to do 60 hours a week build, even though they're hourly. So don't kill yourself for somebody else's mansion. Don't kill yourself for somebody else's boat. Take care of yourself. It's the most important thing I can tell you. You. Value you over your job, because it's not worth it. First part of the year, I did a video talking about shop owners always want more, and they're always making plans to make more, and rarely is it about expansion. Think about that. They're just charging more and pushing more work on you. Because let's be honest, technicians are the ones that bill the hours. Everybody else just collects the money. Not devaluing what everybody else does in the shop, but, you know, the work has to be done by the technicians. If you're not being valued by your shop enough to make accommodations for a technician that's good but burning out, it's not the place to be. I know this video was preachy, but take care of yourself and your family. Stop worrying about your shop owner and whether or not they're going to get their third vacation home or whatever trinkets they like to collect. Take care of yourself. If you're burning out and they don't do anything about it, move on. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.